Alright, guys, let me ask you something. A very serious question. Have you ever wondered what would happen if a peanut butter sandwich and French toast had a delicious baby? Well, today we're about to find out. I mean, seriously, what's better than creamy peanut butter inside golden French toast? Can you think of anything? No? Me neither. Welcome to my channel. My name is Roslyn, and this is Daily Kitchen Makings. So, guys, if you're ready to take your breakfast game from ordinary to extraordinary, stay tuned because this peanut butter French toast is going to make you wish you had tried it sooner. The ingredients for today's recipe are peanut butter, bread slices, milk, and egg. If you enjoy a bit of texture and crunch, leave the crust on. But if you want a softer, more luxurious French toast experience, cutting off the crust is the way to go. In order to cut the crust, 1. Place the bread on the cutting board. 2. Using a sharp knife, cut along the outer edge of the bread. 3. Be careful not to press down too hard while cutting the bread so the bread stays fluffy and does not flatten. Some pros of cutting the crust of the bread include 1. It makes every bite soft and evenly cooked. 2. It gives the French toast a clean, uniform look, which can make it more visually appealing when served. And 3. It makes the bread cook more evenly in the pan, ensuring the peanut butter melts inside and the French toast turns golden brown on all sides. So once the edges are removed, you are left with soft, crustless slices that are perfect for absorbing the egg mixture and creating a melt-in-your-mouth peanut butter French toast. You can decide to use 2 slices of bread for the peanut butter French toast, but in this recipe, I'll be using 3 slices of bread. Using 3 slices of bread for the peanut butter French toast can create a delicious and hearty version of the classic dish. In order to accomplish this, start by creating peanut butter between 2 slices of bread to create a sandwich. Then take a third slice and place it on top to form a thicker sandwich. Next, sieve the egg mixture. Sieving the egg mixture is a simple step that can enhance the quality of your peanut butter French toast by ensuring a smoother, more even coating and preventing any unwanted bits in your dish. It is a small but effective technique for achieving delicious results. Next, add milk to the eggs, and then using a whisk or a fork, beat the eggs and milk together until they are fully combined. This helps incorporate air, making the mixture light and fluffy. Next, dip both sides of the sandwich into the egg mixture, making sure the bread soaks up the mixture but doesn't get too soggy. Next, heat a skillet or frying pan over medium heat and melt a little butter or oil. Place the sandwich in the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden brown and cooked through. Here are some fun facts about peanut butter. 1. Peanuts aren't actually nuts. They are legumes like beans and lentils. 2. Peanut butter was invented in the 1890s by a doctor looking for a nutritious protein source for patients who couldn't choose solid food. 3. Astronauts love peanut butter. It's one of the foods they take to space because it's shelf-stable and packed with nutrients. And 4. The largest peanut butter sandwich ever made weighed over 1,000 pounds and was created in Oklahoma. Here are some fun facts about French toast. 1. French toast isn't actually French. Versions of it are found in many cultures, from Roman to German, where it is called Amerita or Paul night. 2. In the United States, National French Toast Day is celebrated on November 28th. 3. In France, French toast is called pain perdu, which means lost bread, as it was a way to save stale or old bread. 4. French toast was often a luxury food in medieval times because eggs, milk, and bread were expensive. And there you have it, the ultimate peanut butter French toast that transforms your breakfast game. With each bite, you get that perfect combination of crispy golden bread and creamy peanut butter that's sure to satisfy your cravings. Whether you enjoy it drizzled with syrup, topped with fresh fruit, or just on its own, this recipe is a delicious twist on a classic that you won't forget. So why wait? Try it out, share your creations, and let me know how much you loved it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking!